Thank you.
Check us out on IG.
Welcome to the garage, man.
Welcome to the garage, man. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the garage, man.
Hey, what up, peeps? This is your boy Daniel Legaspi. Welcome back to our channel, Team Basic, and we are here back at it in the garage. And as you can tell, I have GN here, I have RJ there, and we've got Simon. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna paint the front lip, not for this car, but for his HNSI as well. But it's for our coupe. So that's it's a project today, and then they've been sanding it down, and then hopefully primer, and then taffeta white, and also a clear coat. But for now, because it's running late, and then I'll be trying to grab some coffee first. We'll see how it goes, because I don't know, we're probably gonna stay here for quite a while since RJ is doing his front lip as well. We're doing what do you call this? Trying to attach it back, because it's you guys can see it, right? And then he's doing that. Whatever. Okay, we did Bondo, put Bondo on his roof. We're gonna wrap that eventually, but we gotta wait for his wrap to come in. I don't know when he's gonna order, and I don't know. He doesn't even want to talk about it, but yeah. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's get started. Grab some coffee first. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can tell, we finished painting it, did a clear coat and everything, so it's right there. But unfortunately, it's not dry yet, and then it's taking so much time. And time check is 12:38, so they all went home, besides Jericho is still here, so they all went home, and we're gonna install it tomorrow, so let's get back at it tomorrow. So I'll see you guys. Okay guys, this is day 2. Part 2, whatever, but it's gonna be day 2. We are back at it here, the garage. We got Ryan, we got Ezo, we got Simon, we got GM Roy, and then we also got Set. We're gonna install the front lip, and then after that, you know, we'll see how it goes. And then
Chili soup.
it's well painted over here. Let's see that. Let's see that. Oh, we got some chili soup over there. Like that. Oh, it's right there. So we'll see how it's gonna look.
Hindi nakakabit yung fender light.
Test fit. Ooh, damn. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh.
O tama na pala. O wag mo na 3M. Shit.
It's actually a good fitment, so we're just gonna use 3M on it.
Shit.
Then we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, we are done, and here's the look of the front lip. Woo. Nice. Hey. So it is now done. What you gonna say?
Thanks.
It looks sick. Alright. So we're gonna end this video, but we're gonna show you the final look. He's gonna go back it up, and then I'll show you guys the final look. And then if you guys can please click like and subscribe on this video, it would be a great help for us. And thank you guys for watching. So peace out. Hey,
Bye bye.
peace out.